Hello everyone, welcome to the channel KSV Tutorials. Today we talk about the algebraic identities. Identity means the expression which is true for any value of x and any value of y. Suppose we take the value of x1 and the value of y2 and we put the value of x and y in this expression, we get left side is equal to right side. So we discuss here these four identities today. First one is x plus y whole square. This is x square plus 2xy plus y square. Then second identity x minus y whole square. This is x square minus 2xy plus y square. Third identity x square minus y square. This is x plus y in one bracket and x minus y in the another bracket. And the last identity we'll discuss is x plus a in one bracket, x plus b in another bracket, and the right hand side is x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So we start with the exercise 2.5, and here the question is use suitable identities to find the following products. Products means you have to multiply these expressions, but we have to use here the identities. We will not simply multiply by opening the brackets. To find that which identity will be used, we will read the expression carefully. सबसे पहले आपको एक्सप्रेशन को बहुत ध्यान से रीड करना है. Here the first expression is x plus 4 in one bracket and in the another bracket it is x plus 10. So now we keep in mind all the identities, four identities जो भी हमने learn करनी है पहले. So x plus a, x plus b. यहाँ पे देखो x plus 4 है, x plus 10 है, तो x सेम 4 10 मीन्स एक नंबर a है, दूसरा नंबर b है आपके पास. So we apply this identity and we will write this x square plus a plus b 4 plus 10, x as it is given in the identity, so we have written x as it is. Then ab means a multiply b, so we have written 4 multiply 10, so it becomes x square plus 14x plus 40. Second expression is x plus 8 in one bracket and x minus 10 in another bracket. Again the variable is x and the constants are different, so we apply the identity x plus a in one bracket and x plus b in another bracket. Here a is 8 and b is minus 10, so we write x square plus a plus b, so we write 8 minus 10 because b is negative here, plus as it is given in the formula, then in the identity, and then it is ab means a multiply b, so we write 8 multiply minus 10. Then when we solve it, it becomes x square minus 2x. 8 minus 10 is minus 2, so it becomes minus 2x. 8 into minus 10 is minus 80 and minus plus minus, so it becomes minus 80. So the product of x plus 8 and x minus 10 is x square minus 2x minus 80. Now we see the third expression, that is 3x plus 4 into 3x minus 5. Here we have this variable common and these constant terms are different, so we apply this identity where the variable is common and the constants are the different. But here the common variable is not single x, it is 3x, so we write down x square. In the identity we have x square, so we write here 3x whole square. Then we have a plus bx. Here a is 4, b is minus 5, so we will write 4 minus 5. And with this a plus b we have x, and here x is 3x, so we have written here 3x. Then plus ab means plus 4 into minus 5. Now we open these brackets and we'll solve this, and we will get 9x square plus 4 minus 5 is minus 1 into 3x minus minus plus minus, and 4 5s are 20. So we get the answer 9x square minus 3x minus 20. Okay, now we see the next one. The fourth part is y square plus 3 by 2, y square minus 3 by 2. Here we have this variable common, y square, but we have the constant also common. हमारे पास कांस्टेंट भी यहाँ पे सेम है, सिर्फ डिफरेंस क्या है, यहाँ प्लस है और यहाँ पे माइनस है. तो अगर आप अपनी थर्ड आइडेंटिटी देखोगे तो दैट इज़ योर x प्लस वाई इंटू एक्स माइनस वाई, दैट इज़ एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस वाई स्क्वायर. सो वी अप्लाई दिस आइडेंटिटी हेयर एंड इट विल बिकम वाई स्क्वायर होल स्क्वायर, क्योंकि आपको फर्स्ट जो वेरिएबल है उसको स्क्वायर करना है. तो हमारे पास फर्स्ट वेरिएबल वाई स्क्वायर है, तो हम वाई स्क्वायर का स्क्वायर करेंगे तो वो बनेगा वाई रेज़ टू द पावर 4. ओके, और जो आपके पास सेकंड है, ओके, उसका भी आपको स्क्वायर करना है. तो सेकंड यहाँ पे कांस्टेंट है हमारे पास, तो हमने उसका स्क्वायर किया तो हमारे पास बन गया 9/4. सेम वे इन द फिफ्थ पार्ट, 3 minus 2x, 3 plus 2x. We have the constant and the variable both same in the bracket. The only difference is this sign. This is the negative sign, this is the positive sign. So we apply this identity and we do the square of the first term and the square of the second term with negative sign in between, and it will become 9 minus 4x square. Okay children, now the next question number 2 is evaluate the following products without multiplying directly. We have not to multiply here directly, we will use the identities. So 103 multiply 107. So we break these two numbers to get the suitable identity. अब हमें इस तरह से ब्रेक करना है कि हमारे पास जो 4 आइडेंटिटीज़ अभी हमने डिस्कस की हैं उसमें से हमारे पास आइडेंटिटी अप्लाई होनी चाहिए. तो हमने 103 को लिखा 100 प्लस 3 और 107 को हमने लिखा 100 प्लस 7, सो दैट वी कैन यूज़ दिस आइडेंटिटी. अब यहाँ पे देखो 100 इज़ कॉमन, मीन्स दिस इज़ द x. 3 and 7 are different, means these are a and b. So we apply this identity and after solving this we will get the answer 11,021. Now how to solve this 100 square? So it becomes 10,000. A plus b means 3 plus 7. This is 10 into x. X is 100 here. So 10 into 100 is 1000, and AB means A multiply B. So 3 multiply 7 is 21. And now we add all this and we get the final answer. The next one is 95 multiply 96. Again we break these two numbers so that we can apply the identity. So 95 we have written 100 minus 5 and 96 we have written 100 minus 4. Again the identity we have applied x square plus a plus bx plus ab. So 100 square plus here both a and b are negative, so we have written minus 5 minus 4 into x होता है, तो यहाँ पे हमने into 100 लिखा प्लस हमने a और b को मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. हमारे पास बन गया 10,000 प्लस minus 5 minus 4 minus 9 into 100, so it becomes minus 900, and 5 4s are 20, negative negative becomes positive, so this is 20, and after solving this we get the answer 9,120. Okay, third part is 104 multiply by 96. So we have break it like this, 100 plus 4, 100 minus 4. Here we have this 100 same and 4 same. Only difference is again the positive and the negative sign in the center. So we apply the identity x plus y into x minus y, that is equal to x square minus y square. So we have applied this identity here. So it becomes 100 square minus 4 square. So 100 square is 10,000 minus 4 square is 16. so it becomes 9984. Okay, now we come to the next question, that is the third question. This is factorize. Factorize means we have to make the factors. जो अभी हमने क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 और 2 किया वो था हमारे पास इवेल्युएट. इवेल्युएट मीन्स वी हैव टू open the bracket but not directly by using the suitable identity. Here we have to factorize. So first of all we see the first expression, and the first expression is 9x square plus 6xy plus y square. This is the first expression. So we have to keep in our mind the identities, and we have the identity x square plus 2xy plus y square. Now x square, this is 9x square, so we take the square root of this 9 and that is 3, so it becomes 3x whole square. The next last term is y square. Here also y square, it means 1y square is there, so we write y whole square. So we get this 3x as x and y as y. We get this 3x as x and y as y. So if we apply this identity, यहाँ पे हमें 2xy बनाना है, तो हमने क्या लिखा 2, जो फर्स्ट टर्म थी दैट इज़ 3x, जो सेकेंड टर्म है दैट इज़ y. तो ये आइडेंटिटी बन गई हमारे पास x स्क्वायर प्लस 2xy प्लस y square, and this is equal to x plus y whole square. Here it is whole square, so this is x plus y whole square. So x is 3x and y is y, so it is 3x plus y whole square, and we have written it 2 times because it is factorization. Factorization means we have to make the factor, and this is the quadratic polynomial, so we should have the 2 factors here. Okay, now the next one is 4y square minus 4y plus 1. Again this is the square term, 1 is there means it is also the square term. So 4y that is 2y whole square. 4 का स्क्वायर रूट किया हमने 2 आ गया, 1 का स्क्वायर रूट 1 ही होगा, तो इसको हम लिख सकते हैं 1 होल स्क्वायर. नाउ दिस इज़ द नेगेटिव साइन हेयर, तो यहाँ पे भी नेगेटिव साइन लिखा हमने. अब ये हमारे पास आ गया है x 2y और जो y है वो 1 है. ठीक है, तो हमने सेंटर में 2xy की फॉर्म लेकर आनी है, तो हमने लिखा 2 इंटू 2y इंटू 1, तो ये बन गया 2xy. अब हमारे पास ये वाली आइडेंटिटी अप्लाई हो जाएगी और हम लिखेंगे 2y माइनस 1 होल स्क्वायर, और उसको हम फिर 2 टाइम्स लिख देंगे. सो दिस इज़ द फैक्टराइजेशन ऑफ 4y square minus 4y plus 1. Okay, now the last part is here x square minus y square upon 100. So we apply this identity x square minus y square, that is x minus y plus into x plus y. So x square means x whole square and y square upon 100 means y upon 10 whole square. 100 का हमने स्क्वायर रूट निकालना है तो 10 आ जाएगा. So this is y upon 10 whole square. So this becomes the identity x square minus y square. So we have written x minus y upon 10 into x plus y upon 10. So in this way we apply the identities. I hope you all have understood it. Thank you so much for watching.